Okay, that's where we're working at it now. This is a new shop. It's time for a bit of an update. So we come into the main shop area here. You can see the plasterboard over against the wall that they're preparing to put up. Quite a bit of the ceiling is done now, and we're putting a heap of insulation everywhere in all the walls, all the ceilings, all that, just to, well, two reasons. One is you can hear the road noise with, well, a bit glary out there, but all the cars going past, so we're looking to get rid of all the road noise and also insulate the place from sound and heat so the air conditioners work better. We still don't have steps coming up there, but it's looking promising. There's bits of timber in here, so they must just be to help support the staircase. Now these wires here, the one on the right here, that's just data coming into the front counter. It's the front counter alone, and there's going to be a pole goes down the side of the counter, and the data cabling there goes in, and to the left there, that's the electricity, the 240 volt that goes into the front counter. So yeah, a lot of wires in a building nowadays. The Sparky has been in, and this is just part of a storage area through here. He's been in and pre-wired for everything, for all the lights. We're running semi-round, or actually round LEDs all through there. More plasterboard, and yeah, when they put the sheets in here, I was watching them earlier, and on the joint of a sheet they actually get a bit of that plasterboard and they back the joint, so they actually glue it in behind where the joint is there, and that backs the joint, they tell me. So I don't know much about building, but anyway, and I think I've showed you that before, but that's all pre-work for the air conditioning, just in the bottom floor. Okay, this is just up on the upper floor at the moment, and we have a little alcove there, for want of a better word, where the offices come off. They've sheeted the top here, well, on the outside at least, they've sheeted it. Now, where we come down the stairs here, we haven't got the stairs yet, like I said, but yeah, this area here, that's just for, there'll be a little place for a bench. Ooh, now you can't see in here really well, but the ceiling is on, the insulation is in the walls, waiting for the rest to come on. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's just for the data. We put a chassis up here and the data comes in. So I'll have to bring a light with me next time. Then we walk up in through here. Now this is my office. It's only small, but you don't need a big office to make money, do you? More data. The ceiling and all is in. The insulation's in the walls. We're sheeting off around the window here, just to give room for the wires and all that sort of thing. So I'll be able to sit up here and look outside, watch the girls go by. That's the game. But yeah, I'll be able to sit up here and just watch what's going on outside, hopefully clean the bloody window. Then the admin office, where Judy and Ebony go, that's this little dark dungeon in here. That's a bit too dark for you to see really, but once again the ceiling's in. The one side of the wall here is clad, and up in the roof, because the bearers are further apart, there's top hats for the gyprock. So I suppose another week or so and we'll have the plasterers come through, I think. But yeah, certainly coming along. or you can just sit up the top here and have a beer and look out and watch the cars go past. Right, we've had quotes from the floor people, and where we pulled the old walls out, where some of the ram set nails and that were, there's quite a few holes. So they tell me what they do. The white marks are where lights are going to go. You can see a few of them around the area. They tell me what they do with the floor here, and I think the 7th of next month they're coming in, and they put a concrete slurry across the floor, and they fill all this, and then they sand the whole concrete floor before they bring the vinyl in. So we've given the go ahead for the vinyl. The front counter that sits in here, we got the fella in the other day and we've measured for that. We've given him the plans and all that, but we haven't come back, well, he hasn't come back to us with a quote at all yet. But yeah, as a customer, when you come in the business, you'll come in the door here. As you come past this post, you'll have the counter, and all along these walls here there'll be shelving like we have next door. So yeah, so look, it's moving along. This is just a little update just to keep everyone informed on how we're going.